Hi and welcome back to another BEKA Connect video. My name is Amina Bourouba and I work in the service department here at BEKA Hospitech. And today I want to introduce you to our compact tub. This is the Compact Plus tub. It's a specially designed UK version with a gantry system. And now I want to show you a little more. Now using the convenient hand control, I want to show you how to remove the seat. So we just showed you the sped up version on how to remove the seat or bring it back out. Unfortunately, we can't show you a live demonstration since the tub needs to be anchored to the floor. But you can see here, it's on a very low setting, so it's very convenient for the resident or the patient to get onto the seat. And now I want to show you the Wheelable Chassis. So since today I am showing you the detachable seat version, I also want to talk a little about the chassis. It's here. It's very easy to put it beneath the seat. It's a slide-in process and you can make it a wheelchair. So as you can see now, I've already slid the chassis beneath the chair, and it's very easy now to lower the chair to the ground. You just release the brake system here and lower the chair, and then you can wheel the patient or the resident away. It's also a very secure transfer because you have the safety handles here and also the safety belt. So in order to put the chair back in place, the tub, you just slide it back in and up. Another great thing about the wheelable chair is that it can act as a shower chair. As you can see here, you can easily wheel the patient in and shower. So you really get a two-in-one product here. So the Compact also have the color-coded knobs here for the warm water, the cold water, and the shower. And you can also equip the Compact Plus in this case with our different wellness features, for example the air spa, which you can see here, the colored light system, the music Bluetooth system, or the aroma system. This version of the tub also comes with a high-low function, as you can see here, and an additional headrest you can use when the seat is not in, but it has to be on the lowest level. So this tub is a very versatile tub, so you can place it against the wall or not. You can decide whether you want the column hoist on the left side or on the right side. It also comes in different length, though you can choose between 1.60 meters or 1.70 meters. So that, in addition with the ergonomical inside, is great for small spaces. So if you have any more questions or just want to know more about the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to answer all the questions you might have. So thanks for watching and have a good day.